Hi everyone, Timotheus here, and today I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails and featured images with Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer is a free tool that's available to anyone with a Microsoft account, and it's a great way to create professional looking images for your YouTube videos or blog posts. Here are some examples of visuals that I did using Microsoft Designer. Go to Microsoft Designer to create a thumbnail or featured image. Yeah, here are some steps. First, of course, to go to the Microsoft Designer website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Then click on the Create New button. There'll be an area for you to enter a prompt. So enter a prompt for the image that you want to create. It can be as simple as a description of the image, such as, a woman writing a blog post or a thumbnail for a video about cats. Yeah, and then there's a generate button. Click on that, and Microsoft Designer will generate a variety of images based on your prompt. There will be quite a few for you to choose from. So look through and select, the image that you like the best, and then you can click the download button to download it and use it. Or if you like to, you can actually edit the visual a little. There's a customize button for you to click on. When you click on that, you go to another page with design tools to help you improve your graphic or image. Prompts are essential for creating high quality and professional looking thumbnails and feature images with Microsoft Designer. Yeah, I'm sure you know by now it uses AI. Yeah, so you need prompts. The more specific and descriptive your prompt is, the better the results will be. For example, I would like the AI to create a thumbnail for a YouTube video. So I will write that in the prompt. I will say something like, create a thumbnail for a YouTube video. And I will specify the size of the visual that I would like to have, and also the title of the video, so that it will add the text of the title text into the video. Into the graphic or image. Sometimes I would mention the type of image or graphics I would like the AI to use. And here is an example of a prompt that I often use. Here are more tips for creating effective prompts for Microsoft designers. Use keywords that are relevant to the topic of your thumbnail or featured image. Be specific about the style of the image you want to create. For example, you could say a realistic image of a woman writing a blog post or a cartoon image of a cat. Be as specific as possible. And also use descriptive language to describe the mood or tone of the image you want to create. For example, you could say a happy and cheerful image or a dark and mysterious image. And here are some examples of powerful prompts for Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer is a powerful tool that can be used to create professional looking thumbnails and featured images for your YouTube videos or for your blog posts. By using prompts effectively, you can create high quality images that will capture the attention of your viewers and readers. Again, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to my channel for more videos about YouTube, blogging, content creation, motivation, inspiration, and more. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.